Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 12, Lesson 1. Today we'll be learning about line plots. So two headings that we'll be doing today are line plots and dot plots. So the real world link. Students in Mr. Carter's class were asked how many after-school activities they have. Their responses are shown in the table. Use the data to complete the frequency table. So, how many times do I see the number 0? I see it twice. How many times do I see 1? I'll highlight them in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we see 1 6 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 we see it 4 times. 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I see it 3 times. Hopefully I'm not missing any. And 4, I see it 1 time. So in total, I should have 16. So 4, 4. Yeah, I do have 16. So step 2. Turn the table so the number of activities is along the bottom of the number line. Instead of tally marks, place X's above the number line. The X's for 0 activities have been placed for you. So if you see the 0, there's 2 X's. And that resembles this 2 here. So for 1, we have 6 ones. So what I'm going to do is put 6 X's. Now for 2, I have 4 2's. So I'm going to put 4 X's above the 2. We have 3 3's, 1, 2, 3, and we have 1 4. And all of my information I'm getting is from this table. So we're going to be making line plots. One way to give a picture of data is to make a line plot. A line plot is a visual display of distribution of data values where each data value is shown as a dot or other mark, usually an X, above a number line. A line plot is also known as a dot plot. So same thing. Since Jasmine has asked her class how many pets they have. The results are shown in the table. Make a line plot of the data, then describe the data presented in the graph. So she has all of her information in the table shown. So this means, so she made a number line, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Says place as many as X's above each number as there are responses. So she has 4 zeros. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1's, 8 2's, 4 3's, and 2 4's. So to describe the data, it says 24 students responded to the question. No one has more than 4 pets. 4 students have no pets. The response given most is 2 pets. This represents the mode. So the mode would be 2 because the mode is the number that appears most frequently. So this is just a review from chapter 11. Mode is most frequently. So go ahead and try A. So I'm going to pause the video and give you time to do A. So if I just start here on the 2 and make my way across. So I have a 2, 4, I have a 3, 3, 1. Now I'm going to start in my second row. I have a 0, 5, 4, 2, 2. In my third one, I have a 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. So to describe the data, I can say one student has no pets. One student has 5 pets, and I can say the response given most is 2 pets. This represents the mode. So now we're going to start analyzing line plots. It says you can describe a set of data using measures of center as well as measures of variability. Measures of center and variability, that's from chapter 11. The range of the data and any outliers are also useful in describing the data. The line plot shows the prices of cowboy hats. So example 2, find the median and mode of the data, then describe the data using them. It says there are 16 hat prices in dollars represented in the line plot. The median is between the 8th and the 9th pieces of data. This is the 2 middle numbers shown in the line plot are 40 and 45. So that means the median is going to be $42.50. That means half of the cowboy hats cost more than $42.50 and half cost less than $42.50. The number that appears the most often is 50, so the mode of the data is 50. This means there are more cowboy hats that cost 50 than any other price. So here we found the median, and then here we found the mode. So if you look at the description, at the middle, if something's in the middle, that means half the cowboy hats cost more than $42.50, and then half cost less than $42.50. Especially if that's going to be the one in the middle. In the mode is the number that appears most frequently, so a lot of it's 50. Most of them are $50. So example 3, find the range and any outliers of the data, then describe the data using them. The range of the prices is $75. $75 is the most. So I'm going to make a little note here. So range equals greatest value subtract the least value. So they have 75 is the greatest and 30 is the least. So we have 70 minus 30. So that means the range is $45. The limits for the outliers are $12.50 and $72.50. So 75 is an outlier. And remember, to find outliers, we need to find the IQR. And then multiply that by a half. And then take the first quartile. And we're going to subtract the IQR. And then we're going to subtract that number that you get out of here. And then with the third quartile, you add it. Any number that is less than this number, and any number greater than this number. If you need a review on outliers, please look at chapter 11. I believe it might be lesson 3. Yeah, chapter 11, lesson 3. So go ahead and try B. So for the median, I'm going to count how many data points I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if I have 14 numbers, that means my median is going to be between 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my 7th and 8th value. Luckily, both numbers are 20. So my median is going to be 20. My mode, number appears the most, is also 20. My range is going to be 25 minus 17. So my range is going to be 8. And outliers, we're going to say there are no outliers. So we're going to put none. Now, the other way to finding median is doing this from least to greatest and listing the numbers. But I know since I have 14 numbers, my 7th and 8th value, that's going to be my midpoint. So that's how I knew that the 7th and 8th number was going to be there. It was going to be the median. If you do not know what I'm explaining, then go ahead and list the numbers to find the median. Example 4. The line plot shows the amount James deposited in his savings account each month. Describe the data and include measures of variability. So the mean is $46.67. The median is $47.50, and the mode is $50. So the majority of the data are close to the measures of center. So those are the measures of center, but the variability, the range of the data is $75 minus $35, so it's 40. The IQR is Q3 minus Q1, so 50 minus $37.50, and that's $12.50. So half the amounts are between $37.50 and $50. There is one outlier of $75. So go ahead and try C. So you need to find the measures of centers and variability. So I just found them all the measures of center. That's mean, median, and mode. So we have to remember, I titled it for you guys. Mean, median, and mode. Mean is 35, median 30, mode is 25. Measures of variability, range is 40. Q1 is 25, Q3 is 40. So the IQR is 15. And after taking my IQR and multiplying it by 5, subtracting Q1 and then adding Q3, any numbers less than 2.5 or any numbers greater than 62.5. So that is my only outlier is going to be 65. And that's the end of the lesson. Now, if you don't know the measures of center and measures of variability, please review chapter 11. This lessons 1, 2, and 3. But other than that, thank you for watching.